My name's Strett Cull. I'm the owner of Cully's Motorcycle Centre, which is located in Perth, in Balcatta, the northern suburbs. Cully's has been around since the mid-1970s. My dad was road racing motorcycles at the time. Opportunity came up to work for the Yamaha importer Ken George, and then shortly after he opened up the dealership in Osborne Park. There were some road changes at the Osborne Park address, so the decision was made to move to Balcatta in 1982. And then we've had sort of quite a few changes over the years, sort of major renovations in the early 2000s, and then we're just finishing the next lot of major ones sort of 20 years later. So I started as an apprentice mechanic in the workshop, did my time there as a technician. We were heavily involved in road racing. My father raced, his brother raced. Their father was obviously heavily involved in it. I had a little bit of go-karting back in the day with the KD 100J Yamaha. YZF 600 Thundercat was my first race bike. Did that for quite a period of time, but focused on the business and then sort of helped a lot of other young guys out racing. Around 2018 I felt it was time to sort of make another change to the dealership, and I just felt the shop was getting a little bit tired. I just wanted to present a more modern retail experience, so we started to get a few plans drawn up, move forward in 2023 and started to sort of build. It took a year or so to get there, but we're pretty happy with the finished product. Every department of the Yamaha dealership is important, and if it's working well, every department complements the other department, and as the overall experience when you walk in works. We have added Wave Runner recently. It's a Yamaha product. There is quite a bit of crossover with our customers, and like I say, all the accessories that go with it. It's a huge range. I sort of want to be the one-stop shop where you can look at all those products. Staff are key to the importance of the dealership, so it was just like what can we do to make it a little bit nicer place to work. Put a nice sort of lunchroom, kitchen, deck, barbecue, a little gym, showers, staff lockers, just to make it look like a professional dealership. We're quite proud of our service centre. It's clean and tidy, quite modern, well stocked, special tools. Lucky enough to have 5 or 6 technicians on staff plus service advisors. For the last 10 years it's been run by Peter Otley, very experienced in the industry. He qualified for the recent Yamaha Technicians Grand Prix, did quite well there. Training's a big part. The bikes are certainly evolving. Regularly send the guys on courses, so they've kept up to date with the new technology. The parts and accessory area is vital to the business. It's something that I pay close attention to and again quite proud of. It's where most of our staff members are. Last renovation we were able to sort of make it 3 times bigger, display everything a lot better, provide a bigger range, and just add to the overall experience. The goal all along for the last 20 or so years is just to be the complete dealership, the one-stop shop in Perth, and that means all departments of the dealership running well stocked, great new motorcycle department, great parts and accessories, well-trained technicians in our service department, and that all departments complement each other and keep driving the dealership forward and hopefully keep bringing people in. I feel as trends change, the partnership with Yamaha, that they will provide the product. As far as personally with the dealership, we've sort of built the facility. I just want to maximise what we have, work on our efficiencies. Always trying to look to the future, but we'll just see how it goes. I'd like to think in the Perth area, everyone sort of knows that Cully's and Yamaha, the 2 names go hand in hand.